Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today in this particular video, I am going to discuss about Newton's laws of gravitation and then gravitation, gravity and acceleration due to gravity. Clear? So don't delay, let's proceed to the session. Yes. So Newton's laws of gravitation. In the previous video I discussed, but still today just little bit brief discussion. That means the revision. So at first, what is Newton's laws of gravitation? So if the two bodies of the masses m1 and m2, if the separation between the two bodies is d, clear, then the force of attraction, that means the force of attraction between the two bodies is the product of masses. That means F proportional to m1 m2. Clear? That is the first case. And in the second case, that force of attraction will be inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Clear? That means that force of attraction F is inversely proportional, that means 1 by inversely proportional to the square of the distance, that means d square. Clear? So in the first case, the force of attraction is proportional to the product of their masses, and second case, this force of attraction is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between that particular bodies. That means square of the distance between them. Clear? Now, if we join equation 1 and equation 2, that means both, then you will get F proportional to m1 m2 by d square. Simple thing. In the first, F proportional to m1 m2, and in the second, F proportional to 1 by d square. So if you join, you will get F proportional to m1 m2 by d square. Now if you equal this value, then you have to multiply a constant. The name of the constant is here g. Clear? So then F equal to g m1 m2 by d square. Clear? Again, this g, that is a constant, and the name of this constant is universal gravitational constant. What is the name of the constant? Universal gravitational constant. So why is it universal? Why is it universal? Clear, it is universal again. The reason behind it is its value is 6.67 and sorry 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2. Clear? Its value, and it is always same. Clear? It is always same. Why it is called universal? The value of g, that is always constant, because its value is same throughout the universe. Clear? Its value is same throughout the universe. Clear? It is independent of nature, size and masses of bodies. Clear? Or separation between them. Whatever may be the separation between the two particles, then the value of g will be always constant. That means the value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2. Clear? Okay. It is also independent of nature of the medium between the two bodies. Whatever is the medium, that means let's say gaseous medium, vapor medium, whatever, the value of g is always constant. Even null medium, that means zero medium, in that case also the value of g is always constant. Clear? That's why it is called universal gravitational constant. Clear? I hope you understand. Next, importance of the Newton's laws of gravitation. Clear? What is the importance? Although the gravitational force is the weakest force, although the gravitational force is the weakest force. Clear? Yet it plays an important role in the nature of nature as expressed below. Clear? So yet it plays an important role in the nature, যদিও এটা নেচারে অনেক ইম্পর্টেন্ট রোল প্লে করে, বাট স্টিল এটা হচ্ছে একটা উইকেস্ট ফোর্স। ক্লিয়ার? ক্লিয়ার or not? I hope it is clear. Here F nuclear, clear, that means force of attraction of nuclear. Em, that means force of attraction of electromagnetic, that is uh, work, F work, and last one is F gravitational. So the value is, that means there is a ratio, F nuclear is to F Em is to F work, sorry, not work, F weak and F gravitational, that is the value is 10 to the power 36 is to 10 to the power 25 is to 10 to the power 11 is to 1. That means if you see 1, that is the minimum value. Clear? That is the minimum value. Nuclear force value ki, that is the maximum. Clear? That is the strongest force, strongest force. Clear? That is the strongest force, F nuclear. Clear? Nuclear, what is the nuclear force? The force of attraction between, tell me, the force of attraction between proton and neutron. Clear? The force of attraction between proton and neutron, that is called nuclear force. Clear? That is the strongest force in the nature. That is the strongest force in the nature, and the weakest force in the nature is gravitational force. Clear? Gravitational force is the weakest force. Again, if you look the value, that there is 10 to the power minus 11. Clear? 10 to the power minus 11, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, minus 11. Clear? That's why that is the value is very low. Clear? Minus 11. Clear? Now coming to the next point, that means the next slide. Okay, the moon and the artificial satellites, okay, just a minute, I think, just a minute. Oh, I don't discuss in that particular point, I forgot. Okay, now listen. All the planets revolve around the sun. All the planets revolve around the sun due to gravitational force between the sun and the planet. Clear? All the planets revolve around the sun due to gravitational force between the sun and the planet. Clear? অর্থাৎ sun এবং প্ল্যানেটের মধ্যে এই যে ঘুরছে, যে অর্থাৎ sun fixed, planet revolve করছে. Why? Because there is a fixed gravitational force. Clear? Because there is a fixed gravitational force. If there is no fixed gravitational force, then কারোর অরবিট তো ঠিক হতো না, ধরো আর্থের অরবিট, that is the orbit of earth, that is the orbit of Mars. Clear? Whatever. So there is a fixed orbit. Again, this happens due to gravitational force. Clear? Okay. Thus the gravitational force is responsible for existence of solar system. Clear? If gravitational force is not present in that particular time, solar system, the formation of solar system is impossible. Clear? The next point, the moon and the artificial satellites revolve around the earth. Clear? Due to gravitational force between moon and artificial satellite. That means moon মানে চাঁদ এবং আর্টিফিশিয়াল স্যাটেলাইট, মুন এবং আর্টিফিশিয়াল স্যাটেলাইট মানে যে সমস্ত স্যাটেলাইট আমরা পাঠাচ্ছি এখান থেকে, মানে পৃথিবী থেকে, সেগুলো কি রিভলভ করছে অ্যারাউন্ড দ্য আর্থ, আর্থের চারিদিকে ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে. Why? Due to fixed gravitational force. Clear? Due to the presence of gravitational force. Clear? Otherwise এটা ঘুরতো না. Clear? Again, the gravitational force of earth holds the atmosphere above the earth. That means due to the presence of gravitational force in the earth, so the atmosphere present, otherwise যদি গ্র্যাভিটেশনাল ফোর্স অফ অ্যাট্রাকশন যদি না থাকতো তাহলে অ্যাটমসফিয়ারই থাকতো না, অর্থাৎ বায়ুমণ্ডল তৈরি হতো না। ক্লিয়ার? বায়ুমণ্ডল কি হতো? তৈরি হতো না। তো বায়ুমণ্ডলে কি হতো? বায়ুমণ্ডলে যত গ্যাস ছিল সব গ্যাস বেরিয়ে যেত। ক্লিয়ার? লেটস সে দ্যাট ইজ আর্থ সারফেস। ক্লিয়ার? দ্যাট ইজ দ্য সারাউন্ডিং অফ দ্য অ্যাটমসফিয়ার। দ্যাট ইজ দ্য সারাউন্ডিং অফ দ্য অ্যাটমসফিয়ার। দ্যাট মিনস এর মধ্যে কি হচ্ছে না, সমস্ত এয়ার মিডিয়াম, দ্যাট মিনস বায়ুমণ্ডলগুলো আছে। ক্লিয়ার? So if there is no, there is a attractive force, that is the attractive, that is the symbol of attractive force. Clear? Force of attraction. If there is no force of attraction in that particular time, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, whatever, so many gases এগুলো কি হতো? বেরিয়ে যেত। আর্থের যে অ্যাট্রাকটিভ ফোর্সের সিস্টেমের বাইরে বেরিয়ে গিয়ে এরকম আউটসাইডে এক্সিস্ট করতো। ক্লিয়ার? ওকে, সো কি হতো তাহলে? গ্যাস যদি না থাকতো আমাদের বাঁচারই কোনো কোয়েশ্চেন আসতো না, তাহলে আমরা বাঁচতামই না। ক্লিয়ার? Okay, so many points are there. Just read this para, you will be automatically understand. Nothing special. Just coming to the main point, that is gravitation, gravity and acceleration due to gravity. What is gravitation? Second one is gravity, and third one is acceleration due to gravity. So what is gravitation? At first you have to understand what is gravitation. It is the force of attraction. It is the force of attraction between any bodies in the universe. That means যে কোনো দুটো বডির মধ্যে যে ফোর্স অফ অ্যাট্রাকশন কাজ করছে তাকে কি বলা হচ্ছে? গ্র্যাভিটেশন। ক্লিয়ার? ইউনিভার্স, দ্যাট ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট পয়েন্ট, দ্যাট ইজ ইউনিভার্স। দ্যাট মিনস সান আর্থের মধ্যে যে অ্যাট্রাকটিভ ফোর্স, দ্যাট ফোর্স ইজ কল্ড গ্র্যাভিটেশন। দ্যাট ফোর্স হ্যাপেন্স ডিউ টু গ্র্যাভিটেশন। ক্লিয়ার? দ্যাট ফোর্স হ্যাপেন্স ডিউ টু গ্র্যাভিটেশন। অর আর্থ অ্যান্ড মার্স, এদের মধ্যেও কিন্তু অ্যাট্রাকটিভ ফোর্স কাজ করছে। ক্লিয়ার? ফিক্সড ভ্যালু, that is due to gravity, due to not sorry gravitation. Clear? দুটো স্টারের মধ্যে, let's say sun is a star and another star is Proxima Centauri. Clear? The nearest star, আমাদের হচ্ছে second nearest star, not nearest star, nearest star is sun and the second nearest star is Proxima Centauri. So Proxima Centauri আর সানের মধ্যে যে attractive force between the Proxima Centauri and the sun, that is also in the category of gravitation, that happens due to gravitation. Clear? And in the next point, gravity, it is the force of attraction between a planet and a body. It is a force of attraction between a planet and a body. একটা planet এবং একটা বডির মধ্যে যে force of attraction কাজ করছে, that is the gravity. That means ধরো let's say that is a body and this is the earth surface. So আমরা যদি একটা বডিকে যদি উপর থেকে নিচের দিকে ফেলি, in that particular time what will happen? In that particular time বডিটা নিচের দিকে চলে আসছে। So এই যে attraction, the force of attraction, clear? নিচের দিকে পড়ছে কেন? There must be force of attraction. Clear? This kind of attraction is called gravity. Clear? It is the force of attraction between the planet, that is very important point, কোন একটা প্ল্যানেটের সঙ্গে and a body, কোন একটা বডির সাথে। Clear? প্ল্যানেটের সঙ্গে একটা বডির সঙ্গে যে attraction, that is the force of attraction, that is called gravity. Clear? And in the next point, acceleration due to gravity, the acceleration produced in a body due to gravity, the acceleration produced in a body due to gravity is called acceleration due to gravity. Clear? একটা বডিকে উপর থেকে নিচে ফেলছি, clear? উপর থেকে নিচে ফেলছি, in that particular time the acceleration produced, okay, that particular due to that acceleration the gravity is called acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by small g. What is the symbol? It is denoted by small g. Again capital G is universal gravitational constant. There is a fixed value 6.67 something a value into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2. Clear? And here small g, that means acceleration due to gravity, it also have fixed value, actually not fixed value, it is also average value. The value is 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. The mean value of g, that means the average value of g on the surface of the earth, clear. On the surface of the earth is 9.8 meter per second square, clear. And the value of the g varies from place to place. একটা place থেকে another place এ the value of g varies, clear. This value, its value is 0. That is very very important. Its value is 0 at the center of the earth. Center of the earth means that point, clear, that point. In that particular point, that means the center of the earth, the value of the g is 0, clear. I hope it is clear. Then that is very 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 important point, clear. Where the value of the g is 0, clear, the answer will be at the center of the earth, clear. Again একটা কোয়েশ্চেন বলি, যখন সারফেসে হচ্ছে ম্যাক্সিমাম, the value of g is maximum at the surface, clear. সারফেস থেকে উপরে গেলে ডিক্রিজ, নিচের দিকে এলেও কি হচ্ছে ডিক্রিজ, clear. সারফেস হচ্ছে ম্যাক্সিমাম ভ্যালু, clear. In the surface the value of the g is maximum. Again the value is 9.8 meter per second square, clear. Okay, so that's all for today. We will meet in another session. So till then, tata, bye bye, and take care.